What's up, everyone? Welcome back to TBX Smashing Stuff with the Golf Club. Today we'll be demolishing this bad boy coffee machine, and we'll be using this golf club. It's a different one than we used before, but it's nice and big and should work well. I'll be using my GoPro Hero 8 Black. If you've seen the latest video, you will recognize this. Yeah, let's go outside and start golfing. To add a bit of splash, we're gonna put a LaCroix inside the thing, so when I hit it, it'll explode. I'll shake it up real good and then put it in. And then just for fun, we're gonna add a bunch of water to it. Okay, let's go. Today. See you in the next video.
And don't forget to subscribe to TBX.